In this video, I am going to show you step-by-step how to create a professional and branded Shopify store using the Ella theme. Ella theme is one of the most effective and conversion-friendly Shopify theme right now. And in this video, I will show you how to use it. And to make the process easier, I have created this step-by-step blueprint, which you can follow to set up your Shopify store. I've added all the necessary links and resources that you'll need to set up your store. So, let's not waste any time and get started. The first step on our list is to sign up for an extended Shopify trial. This one is pretty obvious. Right now, Shopify is offering a 3-month extended trial for just $1 per month. You can access the trial using the first link down below in the video description. I've also added a video in this document, which will show you the sign-up process step by step. Once you've claimed your extended trial, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll see this checklist. You can follow this checklist to set up your store. But we are using a premium theme, so I've created a separate checklist which we can follow. The next step on our list is to install the Ella theme on the store. But before that, if you haven't bought Ella theme yet, make sure to use the second link which is given in the video description to buy the theme. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest deals and discounts of the Ella theme. So make sure to use that link. Once you bought the theme, make sure to download the theme zip file. Next, to install the theme, I'll head over to the dashboard and then go to Online Store option on the left. As you can see, the current theme of our store is the Dawn theme. To install the Ella theme, click on this Add Theme button and then click on Upload Zip File. Then upload the Ella theme file here and confirm. Now, it will take a few seconds to upload this theme.
A few moments later.
Once the theme is uploaded, click on this Publish button, and then the theme will be set as your default store theme. Now, if you click on this View Your Store button, you'll see that the store layout is changed. This is the default Ella theme template. Ella theme contains 50+ templates for different kinds of stores. So, now that our theme is installed successfully, it's time for the next step, which is to install a template on the store. To do that, simply click on this link which I have given in the document. The link will take you to this page, where you'll find presets for every template. Right now, Ella theme has 32 homepage templates. If you click on any of this homepage, you'll see the template. Now, pay close attention to each step from this point on, as we will be using some coding to install these templates. Alongside the homepage templates, you'll see these other options. If you click on it, you'll see these codes. We will use these codes to install the template on our store. But first, we need to find a suitable template for our store. Ella theme offers different homepage templates for different stores. For example, I want to sell sneakers on my stores, so I will try to find the relevant template for my store. The template 18 is specially designed for shoes, so I will simply click on it. Here, I will preview the template. This one looks fine, so I will simply import this template to the store. To import this template, we need to install these 4 code data on our store. So, I will go back to our store now, click on these 3 dots, and then click on this Edit Code option. This will take us to the Shopify code editor. Here, we only need to copy and paste the codes from the preset. So make sure to pay close attention to every step. First of all, I will go to this search bar, and then search for index.json. When we click on it, we'll see these lines of codes. Simply click anywhere on this code, and then use the shortcut key Ctrl+A to select the entire code, and then press the backspace key to delete it at once. Next, go back to the homepage presets and click on this index18.json file. This will open up a completely different code here. Simply click anywhere on this page, and then use the shortcut key Ctrl+A to select this entire code. Next, use the Ctrl+C shortcut key to copy the code. Then go back to the code editor and paste the code by using Ctrl+V shortcut keys, and then hit the Save button on the top right. Alright, the first step is complete. Next, we need to paste the settings data JSON file. So, I will search for settings here, and the settings data option will be available under this config tab. Now, just like we changed the previous code, we need to change this code as well. First, I will select the entire code here, and then delete it. Next, I will go to the Home page Presets and then click on Settings Data number 18. Next, I will copy this entire code from here. Lastly, I will paste this code in the code editor and then save the changes. Next up, we need to copy the header group and then the footer group as well. I will go back and search for header. You'll find the header group under the Sections tab. Once again, I will delete the entire code from here. Next, I will quickly copy the header group code from the preset, and then paste it on the header group section, and then hit the Save button. The same will happen with the footer group section. Open the footer group section from the left search bar. Next, delete the entire code from here. Next, open the footer code number 18 from the presets. Copy it, and then paste it on the footer group section, and then hit the Save button. Once all of it is done, the template will be installed on our store. So, let's exit this code editor, and then click on this View Your Store button. As you can see, the new template is successfully installed here. Of course, you won't find the images, products, and banners here, but every section that was available in that shoe store demo is available here. You can check the header with the sample demo store, and you can check the other sections and footer as well. All of them are completely same. Now, we only need to customize this store as per our need. But before we do that, it's important to add your products and collections in the store. This will make the editing process much easier. So, the next step on our list is adding products and collections. To do that, let's go to the Products option on the left menu, and then click on Add Products. Here, we need to enter our product name, description, product images, and pricing. So, I will add a simple product title here. Next, we need to add a description. We can use Shopify's Magic AI to generate our product description. Next, under Media, I will upload some images of the product. I can also rearrange them as per my need. Next, I will add the actual price of the product and a compare it price of the product here. Next, I will enter the inventory details here. This much will be sufficient for now. Of course, you'll find dozens of other details here, so feel free to enter as much details as possible. And then, click on this Save button to save your changes. And just like this, we've added our first product. You can simply repeat the same process to add more products on this store. Okay, I've added few products here. Now it's time to create collections. To do that, click on this Collections option here. You'll find a default collection called Homepage. I will delete this collection by going to the 3 dots and then clicking on this Delete option. Next, I will click on this Create Collection button. Just like we added our products, we need to enter the name and description of the collections. I will name this collection as Trendy Shoes. I will leave the description empty for now. Next, click on this Browse button here, and then select all the products that you want to add in this collection. You can also add an image to this collection from here. And then I will hit the Save button. And just like this, we've created our first collection. You can follow the same steps to create more collections. Alright, I've added a lot of products here. And I've also segmented them into different collections. And just like this, the 4th step on our checklist is also complete. Now we are ready to customize the store. So, let's go to the Online Store option, and then click on this Customize button. This will take us to the Shopify Store Editor, from where we can customize the look and feel of this storefront. You can see the entire store template that we installed here. On the left sidebar, you'll see different elements and their settings. At the top, you'll see this drop-down, from where you will be able to change pages and customize the other pages like the product page, collection pages, and so on. And if you click on any product page, you'll see different product page templates here. You'll also find collection page templates in this drop-down. These templates are added in the theme by default, so we don't need to import them using coding. I will show you how to customize these templates later on. But first, let's go to the store's homepage. Here, on the top right, you'll see the option to preview your store. You can preview the store on different devices and check if everything is working fine or not. The cool thing is that Ella theme is perfectly mobile optimized, which means that we don't need to make too many changes for desktop and mobile separately. Editing using the Shopify editor is very easy. You only need to click on the section you want to customize, and it will automatically show you the editing options on the left. For example, if I click on this product block, I will get the editing option on the left. For example, I can change the background color from here. I will change it to red, and you'll see that the entire background turned red. Of course, this was just an example, and I can undo it using this arrow on the top right. We also have options to select gradient backgrounds here. We can also add images in the background if we want to. Now let's say I want to change this title. I will go to the title option and type a different title. I will name this section as New Arrivals, and I will show the newly added products in this section. You can enable title borders from here. You can increase or decrease the font size and colors from here. And there are many more options available here. The most important setting of this product block is the collection settings. Here, you can simply add one of your collections, and then the product block will show the products from that collection in this section. It may take some time to update the product images, but you can see that the product name and pricing are already visible here. The product images will also be visible very soon. So, let's not waste any time and customize the other sections. First up, we have this slideshow at the top. We can add a banner here, which will contain the latest offers and deals of the store. If you don't have a banner yet, you can use a free tool called Canva or Kittl to design your banners. For the sake of this video, I am going to use Canva. Simply head over to Canva and create a free account. Once logged in, click on this custom size option. Ella theme always shows the recommended banner size. We only need to put this same number here on Canva, and then click on Create a New Design. This will take us to the Canva editor. And on the left side, you'll see a lot of templates to choose from. You can start designing with a template. You can add texts, upload images, and then download the banner from Canva. Since I am planning to sell sneakers in my store, I will go ahead and type shoes banner in the search bar. Now, Canva will only suggest templates related to shoes and sneakers. Some of these templates are premium ones, which we can't use for free. For the sake of this video, I will simply choose this simple template. Next, I will select this image and then click on this trash icon to delete the image. Next, I will go to the Uploads option on the left, and then I will upload my own product image here. Once the image is uploaded, I will add it in place of the previous image. I can select this font here, and then change the font style from here. I can add more elements from the Elements tab. There are many customization options available on Canva, so feel free to play around with these options. Also, there are many Canva tutorials available on YouTube, which is why I don't want to exaggerate it too much. For now, I will click on this Share button and then hit the Download button. Make sure that file type is either JPG or PNG. Okay, now it's time to add this banner in our store homepage. On the left settings, you'll see this image slide option. When we click on it, we'll get the option to add the image. I will click on this Select button and then upload the banner that I created using Canva. And the banner will be added to the page. You can preview the banner on different devices. And we also have an option to add a different image for mobile devices here. I will click on this Select button, then go to Explore Free Images. Here, I will select a random image for this section, and then Confirm. You can also add your own image, or simply upload a product image from the library. For example, I will add one of my product images as a banner. And it is looking really attractive. Now, if we go back to the desktop mode, you'll see that the old banner is visible here, which means that we have different banners for different devices. Alright, the first section is complete now. Next up, we have some other image sections. Just like we added the first banner, we can add different banners for this section too. Since it is similar to the first section, I will skip this one for now. Alright, I have updated some of my product images and links here. And this section is also complete now. The next section on our list is the product block section. We've already added some products in this product block in the beginning, and you can see that all the images are looking perfect. Next up, we have the spotlight block. This is similar to the banner, but instead of a large banner, we can use it to promote the ongoing offers of the store. When you click on it, you'll see all the customization settings. You can change background, add different fonts, increase or decrease the margins, and do many more things. Next, on the left settings, you'll see these two small images under the spotlight block. If I click on it, I will get the option to add images here. I will simply add another banner here. Since this is just a tutorial video, I've downloaded this banner from the internet to use on this store. I will add those banners here. Next, I will select one banner from them for this section. Since this banner is a bit blurry, I will select a different banner for this section. And just like this, I will select a different banner for the second image. I will also add a title for this section. Let's call it Black Friday Offer for now. Alright, this section is also complete now. If you scroll down, you'll see some other sections here. All these sections are very similar and easy to customize. You only need to select these sections, and then make changes on the left settings. You can change the dummy text and replace it with your own content. You can add your own images for each section. And just like this, you'll be able to customize each section. If you want to remove any section from this page, then you only need to select that section, and then click on this trash icon to delete that section. Similarly, you can click on this Add Section option to add more sections to this page. Ella Theme offers 20+ sections for the home page design. Simply hover over these sections, and you'll see a preview of each section. I recommend that you add all these sections on your homepage and then spend some time playing around and experimenting with the settings. This will give you a better understanding of this editor. I am only covering the important settings in this video. But if you want a more dedicated video on Ella Theme customization, where I will walk you through every setting step by step, then make sure to comment the word tutorial in the comment section. If enough people will show interest, I will create a 2 or 3 hour long step-by-step tutorial on Ella Theme customization. Alright, now let's head back to the store customization. Since the home page is almost complete, let's have a look at the products and collection pages. From this drop-down, I will go to Products and then go to the default product. As the name suggests, this is the default product page of our store. First, I will go to this left setting and then choose another product with a lot of images. I will select this one for now. Next, I will enable full screen mode to have a look at the product page. The cool thing about premium Shopify themes is that the product and collection pages are designed by professionals. These pages are made with the goal of increasing the store conversion rate, which is why I don't like making too many changes to these pages. In fact, simple and genuine-looking product pages tend to convert much better. You only need to provide correct information about your products. Another cool thing about Ella Theme is that it has 9 different product page templates, and you can assign these templates to any product with just a click of a button. To show you how it works, I will first exit this store editor. Next, I will go to the Products option on the left. Here, I will select any product from this list. Let's select this one for now. If I click on this Preview button, it will take me to the default product page. To change this template, I will head back to the Admin panel. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see this Theme Template option on the right sidebar. Simply click on it, and then select a different template from this list. And then hit the Save button. Next, if we again click on the Preview button, it will take us to the product page. And you can see that this product is now assigned with a different template. The descriptions are appearing differently on the right side, and we have some other options on this page. That's how you can assign different templates for your products. I personally like the default template, so I will assign it for this product once again. And then I will save the changes. Okay, now it's time to look at the collection templates. So, I will go back to the Shopify editor and then go to Collections. This is the default collection page of Ella theme. From the left settings, I will select a different collection for preview. We have the collection image here, and then if we scroll down, you'll see the products. By default, there is a sidebar on the left side. Here, we have few sections where we can add a few products to showcase to our customers. This is a great place to show the best-selling products of the store. We can simply go to the left settings where it says Featured Products. We only need to add a collection here, and the products from that collection will be visible on this sidebar. We also have 2 slots for adding separate products. You only need to add the product image, and then from here, you'll be able to link your products with this image. Once you make all the changes, make sure to hit the Save button so that the progress will be saved. If we go to this drop-down and then go to Collections, you'll see that Ella theme offers 6 different collection page templates. You can go through these templates and customize them as per your need. And just like we assigned the products to specific templates, you can assign the collection with specific templates too. And with this step, our basic store customization is finally complete. Okay, we've completed 5 steps from the checklist. The next step on our list is to add a mega menu on our store. Mega menus are a great way to list all of your products and collections in a single menu. This will make the store navigation much easier for your customers. But before we do that, we'll need to create and structure our menu. To do that, we'll need to go to the navigation option on the left. Next, go to the main menu option. Right now, we have 3 options on the menu. I want to add the mega menu under the catalog option. I will list out different collections in this menu. But first, take a look at the image on your screen. This is what a mega menu actually looks like. This simple-looking mega menu has 3 levels. First up is the main menu, which contains Home, About Us, Project, Services, and Solutions options. Under Solution, we have the mega menu, which contains 4 categories. This is the second level of the menu. Lastly, we have 5 subcategories under each category. This is the third level of the menu. I will show you how to create a simple mega menu like this. Alright, now that everything is clear, let's go back to the dashboard. Here, I will click on Add Menu Item option. I will name it Trendy Shoes for now. Since it will be the second level of the menu, I will add the homepage link here, and then click on this Add button. Next, I will drag and drop this Trendy Shoes option under the catalog. And now, it is basically a category under catalog. And just like the sample menu that I showed you earlier, I will add 3 or 4 categories under the catalog. Once it's done, we need to create subcategories under each category. This is where we need to add the links to our product collections. For example, I have added this Adidas collection link here, and I will rename this as Adidas. And then I will add this on the menu. Next, I will drag and drop it under the Trendy Shoes category, which means that it is basically a subcategory of the Trendy Shoes category. And we need to repeat the same process until all the menu items are added to this page. Once we add all the menu items, it will look something like this. First up, we have the first level of the menu. It contains homepage, catalog, and contact page links. Next, we have 4 categories under the catalog option. These are the second level of the menu. Lastly, we've added 4 subcategories under each category. This is the third level of the menu. Okay, now we will go back to the theme option, and then I will click on this View Store button to check my menu. As you can see, all the categories and subcategories are added in this menu. However, this is not looking attractive. In fact, it is nothing similar to the mega menu I showed you earlier. Now, to customize this menu, I will head back to the dashboard and then click on this Customize button. This will take me to the Shopify editor. Now, on the left-hand side, under the header navigation, you'll see these options. You'll see the option of this mega menu style 1, 2, 4, and more. I will click on this mega menu style 1 option. Here, you'll see a lot of editing options. But the most important one is this mega menu item. Since I have arranged the mega menu under the catalog option, I will need to type catalog here. And now if I hover over the catalog option, you'll see that the mega menu is active now, and all the options are showing in the right order. That's how simple it is to set up a mega menu in the Ella theme. Ella theme offers 5 different mega menu styles. Some of them contain banners and multiple images too. For example, let's say I choose the mega menu style number 2. Here, I need to enter the menu item like last time, so I will type catalog here. But if we look at the mega menu, you'll see that there is still some space left here for the banners. When you scroll down, you'll see these first banner and second banner options. You can upload your banner here, which will then be visible to this mega menu. And we have 5 different styles of mega menu in the Ella theme. So feel free to play around with every mega menu style and choose the one that fits with your needs. By the way, you may have already noticed this label which is blinking here. Ella theme offers this feature, which allows you to add different labels to different menu items. On the left settings, under header navigation, you'll see this main menu option. You can add these labels from here. But first, do you remember when I told you about the menu levels? Well, the first menu that you are seeing on your screen right now is the first level of the menu. You can call it the level 1 menu. Next, under the catalog, you'll see these 4 categories. These are level 2 of the menu. Lastly, we have 4 subcategories under each category. These are level 3 of the menu. Now, on the left settings, you'll be able to apply the label based on these levels that I mentioned just now. By default, Ella theme offers a menu highlight option and 3 labels. The 3 labels are new, sale, and hot labels. You can check them on the left settings. We have the new label here. When you scroll down, you'll also see the sale label, and lastly, we have the hot label as well. Under each label, we have 3 menu levels. You only need to type the menu item name, and the label will be applied automatically. For example, you can see that there is this hot label appearing on the men's collection. That's simply because there are some dummy texts added here under hot label. I will select this entire text and then delete it. And now, if you check the menu, you'll see that the label is gone. Now, if I enter any of the level 3 menu item on this section, you'll see that the label is applied once again. Okay, now let's say that I want to add the hot label to this contact option. So, under hot label, I will type contact in this menu level 1 item, and the hot label will be applied on this contact option. That's how easy it is to add the labels. Just like this, we can apply the sale label too. Let's say I want to add the sale label on this catalog option. So, on the left settings, under sales label, I will type catalog in the menu level 1 item, and you can see that the sale label is applied here. To add the label to the subcategory, add their name under level 3 menu items. I know that this might sound a bit confusing, but make sure to give it a try. Because once you understand this, you'll be able to easily set up these labels based on your needs. Alright, we've successfully added the mega menu on our store, which means that the 6th step of our checklist is also complete. Now, we only need to make some final changes to this store, and it will be ready to launch. We need to add a payment gateway to this store. Then we also need to connect our domain, and then customize the checkout pages as well. All these steps are a bit technical, but you don't have to worry at all. I've already created step-by-step tutorials on each of these technical steps. I have added the link to those tutorials in the document, and I will also add those links in the video description. If you want a more detailed guide on Ella theme customization, make sure to comment the word tutorial, and I will try to make one as soon as possible. I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't signed up for Shopify or haven't bought the Ella theme yet, make sure to use our affiliate link to make your purchase. This will help our channel financially, and we will be able to make more high-quality videos like this one. Of course, it won't cost you anything extra, which means that it is a win-win situation for both of us. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.